morning everyone. My name is Vishal Tiwari from class 9B and today I am here to present my science activity on the topic the 5 cell organelles. So firstly, what is a cell organelle? So a cell organelle is an specialized entity present into a particular cell. So there are various types of cell organelles out of which we will be discussing only 5. So let us move to the slides.
So the first organelle which we will be talking about is the nucleus. So what is nucleus? A nucleus, which is also known as the brain of the cell or the dictator of the cell, is the most prominent part of the cell which is located at the center of the cell. It is only found in the eukaryotic cells. It contains the hereditary information and the genetic material of the cell. It was found by Robert Brown in the year 1831. So as you can see, this is the structure of nucleus, and these are the nuclear pores, and these nuclear pores regulate the movement of molecules from the cytoplasm to the nucleoplasm and vice versa. And this fluid is known as nucleoplasm, where the organelles such as nucleolus and chromatin are suspended. And this outer layer is known as the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope, which separates the nucleoplasm from the cytoplasm. And this thread-like structure is known as chromatin, which contains the genetic material and forms a structure known as chromosome at the time of cell division. And this round body is known as nucleolus, which is responsible for the ribosomal RNA synthesis and ribosome biogenesis, which means that the nucleolus is responsible for the making of ribosomes. Now let us discuss some of the functions of the nucleus. So the functions of the nucleus are like it controls the cell's growth and is responsible for the DNA replication and cell division. It also controls the metabolic activities and cellular processes. It also carries out a process known as transcription, according to which a DNA sequence is transcribed into an RNA molecule using an enzyme known as RNA polymerase. Now let us discuss about the second organelle, that is the cytoplasm. So what is a cytoplasm? A cytoplasm is a jelly and a fluid-like structure which was discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665. According to a modern research, it is found that the cytoplasm is not a fluid but a liquid. And in prokaryotic cells, because of the lack of nuclear membrane, the genetic material is suspended into the cytoplasm. Now, as you can see, this is the structure of cytoplasm, and the various cell organelles are suspended into it, like the nucleus and the mitochondria. Now, let us discuss some of the functions of the cytoplasm. So, a is cytoplasm provides rigidity and the shape to the cell, and without cytoplasm, the cell will deflate. It also assists in the metabolic activities. Now let us discuss about the third organelle of the cell, that is the cell wall. So what is a cell wall? A cell wall is composed of cellulose and long fibers of carbohydrates. It is found only in plants, fungi and bacteria cells. It is tough, flexible and rigid sometimes in texture. As we can see, this is the structure of cell wall. Now let us discuss some of the functions of cell wall. So a cell wall provides structure, strength, and shape to the cell, and it protects the cell from the physical damage and from invading pathogens. It also regulates the cell's growth and allows fewer molecules or smaller molecules to enter the cell. Now, the next organelle which we will be talking about is the mitochondria. So what is a mitochondria? Mitochondria is a double-layered membrane which was discovered by Richard Altman in the year 1890s. So mitochondria is also known as a powerhouse of the cell because it provides energy to the cell in the form of adenosine triphosphate, abbreviated as ATP. So, and according to this, and as we can see in this figure, the mitochondria has its own DNA and ribosomes or proteins. Now let us discuss some of the functions of mitochondria. So mitochondria regulates the metabolic activities and promotes the cell division or cell multiplication. It also deoxifies ammonia from the liver cells. It is also involved in the cellular processes, and as discussed, it provides energy to the cell. Now let us discuss about the last organelle of the cell, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. The first one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the second one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is smooth in texture, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum, as the name suggests, it is rough in texture because of the presence of ribosomes on them. The ribosomes help in the protein synthesis. Now, as you can see in this figure, the endoplasmic reticulum is form of continuous folds. Now let us discuss the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Firstly, of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the synthesis of lipids and for the production and secretion of steroid. It is also responsible for the metabolism of carbohydrates. Now let's discuss the functions of the rough endoplasmic reticulum also. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum is essential for the protein synthesis and also plays a vital role in the protein folding. It also plays a vital role in the protein sorting too.
So this is how we discussed about the five cell organelles. Thank you.